Microsoft Excel is a vital tool in the modern workplace, used across various industries for tasks from basic data entry to complex financial modeling. Excel skills enhance proficiency, support career growth, and enable data-driven decision-making, making it an indispensable asset. Starting with Excel, learn the interface, basic data entry, and simple formulas like sum and average. Understand cell referencing and basic formatting. Mastering these basics boosts confidence, improves productivity, and opens up entry-level job opportunities requiring foundational Excel skills. At the intermediate level, tackle advanced calculations with functions like if and VLOOKUP. Organize data with tables, create complex charts, and use basic macros. These skills enhance problem-solving, improve data visualization, and prepare you for more advanced Excel functionalities. Advanced Excel users customize workbooks, automate tasks with macros, and perform detailed data analysis using pivot tables and Power View. Mastering these features allows for comprehensive data management, professional quality reports, and increased productivity, significantly boosting career prospects. Excel training, from beginner to advanced, equips you with essential skills for the modern workplace, enhancing productivity and career opportunities.